Hi guys, this is Miss Link. I want to go over a tool in Math Excel that you're going to be using in Concepts 22 and above, and it is graphing tools. Now, when you get a question like this, you're going to have a graph over here. I do not want you working from this graph. The very first thing I want you to do is either click to enlarge the graph, or you can also click up here, and it will make it a larger version and give you some more functionality. Now, if you like it really, really big, you can click on medium or maximize, and it will make it even larger. But I think normal will be just fine for you. You can move your graph around. Now, this question says draw a line with the given intercepts, and it says your x-intercept is 2 and your y-intercept is -3. You're going to learn what those things mean in your videos, but what I'm going to do is show you how to use the tool. What it really means is put a point at 2 on the x-axis and put a point at -3 on the y-axis. So here's how we do this. You go up here and click on the line tool. Now I'm going to notice I get a little point and I can move it around my graph. I'm going to go over here on my x-axis and put it where the 2 is, and I'm going to click. Notice that then puts a point at 2, 0, and then I can move that line around and it's anchored right there at that point. Now, notice I have another point as I move it. I'm going to move that point to -3 on the y-axis. So that is 0.0, -3, and I'm going to click again. That anchors that point, and that gives me this line, which is what you wanted. Now, there are some other tools here. There's an absolute value tool, 2 parabola tools, a circle tool, and a shading tool that we will use in future lessons, but now you know how to use the line tool. If you do not like this, you think you've done it wrong, you can hit clear. It says this will clear all the objects drawn on the graph. Yeah, I messed up, so I don't want to do that. And it will allow you to start again. So now you know how to use the tools that you're going to be using in this unit.